You posted a photo of your morning coffee. Seems harmless, right? Maybe you just wanted to share a cozy moment or show off your latte art to friends. It's a simple act, something millions of people do every day without a second thought. Your phone talks to towers, Wi-Fi, GPS. Even when you're not posting, your devices are constantly sending out signals, quietly mapping your movements in the background. Understanding OSINT is the first step to protecting yourself. Awareness is your best defense in a world where privacy is increasingly rare. Before we go further, a clear disclaimer: this information is for your protection, not for misuse. The goal is to help you understand your digital vulnerabilities so you can defend yourself. These techniques can be used for good or harm. Our focus is on defense. Using OSINT to stalk, harass, or dox is unethical and often illegal. We're exploring this from the perspective of ethical security, finding weaknesses to fix them, not exploit them. Ignorance doesn't protect you, it just makes you a target. As you learn, think like a defender. Audit your own online presence. What could someone find out about you? This is about digital self-defense, a crucial skill today. Use this knowledge to protect, not to invade. Stay ethical, stay safe. What is open source intelligence, or OSINT? You might have heard the term in cybersecurity circles, but what does it really mean? And why is it so important in today's digital world? OSINT is the art and science of collecting and analyzing information that's freely available to the public. Think news articles, social media posts, public records, satellite images, and much more. It's about finding value in the data that anyone can access, but few know how to truly interpret. Imagine a global library that never closes, overflowing with every public post, review, map, image, and digital breadcrumb you've ever left behind. This library isn't just physical, it's digital, vast, and constantly growing, with new information added every second. OSINT isn't hacking in the traditional sense. There's no breaking into systems or bypassing passwords. Instead, it's a form of digital investigation, piecing together public data to uncover patterns, connections, and actionable insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. The real power of OSINT lies in aggregation. A single photo, a username, or a comment might seem meaningless on its own, but when combined with other pieces of information, these fragments can reveal a surprisingly detailed story about someone's life. For example, imagine a hacker who links your gaming username to your photo sharing account. Suddenly, two separate parts of your online identity are connected. If one of your photos is geotagged, they instantly know the city, or even the exact location where it was taken. That's a piece of your real-world identity exposed. If you use the same username for online classifieds, they might find your phone number or even your address just by following the digital trail you've left behind. The chain grows longer and more detailed, building a comprehensive profile from what seemed like scattered, harmless data points. Hackers and investigators often start with a single clue, a name, an email address, or a username, and then pivot from there, following each lead to uncover more information. They use advanced search operators, specialized OSINT tools, and a deep understanding of how different platforms and databases connect, making it possible to find links that most people would never notice. In this way, they become digital detectives, assembling a complex puzzle you didn't even realize you were creating with your online activity. The final picture can reveal where you are, where you've been, where you work, your daily routines, and even your social circles, all from seemingly innocent information. And the most surprising part? All of this comes from information you made public, often without a second thought. OSINT is powerful, completely legal, and often invisible to the average person. It's used by hackers, investigators, journalists, and even corporations to gather intelligence. The best defense is awareness. Regularly audit your digital footprint, review your privacy settings, and think twice before sharing personal details online. Don't make it easy for someone to piece together your life. Take control of your information, and remember, in the digital age, privacy is something you have to actively protect. Social media is a goldmine for OSINT location tracking. Geotags, check-ins, tagged locations, city mentions explicitly reveal where you are. Hackers can map your favorite spots just by browsing your posts. Even backgrounds in photos, murals, storefronts, unique benches can be pinpointed with reverse image searches. Analysts scrutinize every pixel for clues you never intended to share. The real danger is metadata. Photos and videos often contain hidden EXIF date, time, camera type, and GPS coordinates. Some platforms strip this data, but not all. Sending photos directly often leaves metadata intact. A hacker can extract this info and find your exact address. Real cases of stalking have happened this way. Always remember, what you see is only part of the story. The invisible data can be the most dangerous. Social media is just the start. The web is full of locational clues. Public records, property ownership, business registrations, licenses can link names to addresses. Online forums and communities reveal habits and locations through usernames and posts. Reviews, marketplace listings, and even product questions can betray your city or neighborhood. Each action is a data point. Combined, they narrow down your location. Your device's IP address can be geolocated to a city or region. Wi-Fi networks are mapped globally. Screenshots with network names can reveal your vicinity. The digital and physical worlds are deeply connected. Every online action leaves a trace. Be mindful of the clues you leave behind. OSINT pros don't just Google, they use specialized tools. Google Dorking uses advanced search operators to uncover hidden info. Tools like Sherlock and Social Blade track user activity across platforms. Enter a username and instantly see all public profiles and posts. Metadata extractors pull hidden data from images. Reverse image search engines like TinEye and Google Images find where photos appear online. Advanced tools analyze sun position, shadows, and architecture to estimate time and place. Maltego creates visual graphs of connections. Starting with one clue, it maps out networks of data. These tools make it easy to see relationships and patterns invisible in raw data. The right tool can turn a single clue into a full digital profile. Let's see how OSINT, open source intelligence, can be used in a real-world scenario, step by step. Imagine this. A man discovers his laptop has been stolen. Fortunately, he had the foresight to install tracking software before the theft occurred, giving him a crucial advantage. When the thief tries to log in, the tracking software silently takes a screenshot. This image captures the thief's email address and full name displayed right on the computer screen. An unexpected but valuable clue. Using this information, the owner searches Facebook and quickly locates a matching profile. He now knows the thief's name, city, and even the school they attended, all from public information. Scanning through public photos, the owner spots the thief standing outside a distinctive apartment building which could be their home. In other photos, the thief appears in a work uniform, providing another important lead. The uniform's logo points to a local cleaning service. A quick online search reveals the company's address, connecting the thief to a specific workplace. By checking Google Maps, the owner confirms that the apartment building is just a short distance from the cleaning service, making the connection even stronger. With all these digital breadcrumbs, name, photo, home address, and workplace, the owner builds a complete profile of the thief. He hands this detailed evidence to the police. Thanks to the thorough investigation, the police recover the stolen laptop and arrest the thief. This real-life case demonstrates how following a trail of digital clues using OSINT techniques can lead directly to the culprit's door. OSINT is a powerful tool for uncovering hidden connections and solving mysteries, but it must be used responsibly and ethically. Remember, the information you share online is often more revealing than you realize. Always be cautious and protect your personal data. OSINT walks a fine line between legal investigation and unethical intrusion. Collecting public info is usually legal, intent and use matter most. Journalists, corporations, and investigators use OSINT for legitimate reasons. Using it to stalk, harass, or dox is unethical and illegal. Ethical hackers operate with permission and for good. Laws like GDPR are tightening data privacy rules. Scraping data or compiling dossiers without consent can cross legal lines. The key: consent and harm. If you lack consent or cause harm, you're in the wrong. Always respect privacy and the law. Use OSINT knowledge responsibly. Now you know how easily your location can be tracked. What can you do? Start with a privacy audit. Check your social media settings. Turn off location services. Set profiles to private. Scrub metadata from photos before sharing. Think before you post. Avoid backgrounds with identifying details. Don't check in unless necessary. Use unique usernames for different services. Be cautious with online forms. Share only what's needed. Use a VPN to mask your IP address. Regularly search your name and usernames to see what's public. Request removal of sensitive info when possible. Privacy is an ongoing practice. Stay informed and vigilant. Learn more, engage with the community, and share tips. Together, we can navigate the digital world more safely.